Hey, how's it going there, guys and gals? Welcome back. So we've got another reaction video for you today. We're going to do something a little bit different, where we're going to have a look at idiots in cars this time, as opposed to idiots on motorcycles. You ready, wifey?
Yes.
Let's go. Nothing happening yet.
Imagine watching.
Oh no!
Oh, it's still going.
Oh my god! I shouldn't laugh, but that's hilarious.
That is bad.
I'm just saying the fact that you did the one test.
Might just turn it up a little bit.
When I tested and it was negative and then we tested the next
I don't know how much audio we're going to be able to hear from this one, because
Oh my
a lot of it's going to be inside
God.
the cars. I didn't see that.
It was a scooter.
Or on the left.
Yeah, a boy on like an electric scooter,
Oh, blimey.
and the car came around the corner.
He just
and now it's
reversed into the car
reversing,
behind
yeah.
him. Oh no.
I hope the boy's okay.
Yeah. Well, someone's clearly going to do a stupid overtake, aren't they?
You'd think.
Oh my god!
Oh, too far.
What a moron!
That was so unsafe.
What was he thinking?
I don't know. That looks like a really deep ditch as well.
Oh, wow, totally in the wrong lane there, bud.
Wow.
Totally in the wrong lane there. Insane.
What the?
Oh, whoa. What the?
Oh my god.
Jesus. There's a lane splitting motorcyclist, so I wonder if that's gonna.
Oh,
Oh
that's
no.
that car.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, that driver reacted so poorly, man. Why would you steer into oncoming traffic? He would have been better off just staying in that lane, staying the same direction. Yeah, they would have crashed, but wouldn't
One
have
of
been
those.
anywhere near as bad. Yeah, an old 206. Oh, he's stealing it. No, he just crashed. No, he's not. What? Was he stealing it?
I don't know. That's a speed block, isn't it?
Oh wow. Okay.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Someone's in the wrong lane somewhere.
Well, they're on the opposite side of the road. They're on the wrong side of the road.
Только стоит, да?
Just reverse into that parking area right there.
Давай быстрее, ёпта.
What are they doing? Just keep going. Keep reversing. Go on.
They're in the wrong.
Ничего, то, что да, ты
Yeah,
на
What are they doing? Oh my god, is that an emergency vehicle that's
Probably.
recording this?
Yeah, maybe.
No, keep recording. Oh, keep recording. Keep going backwards. Keep reversing. You got loads of space. Look, there you go. See? What are they really? Hang on. Why? Do you see that?
Yeah.
What an idiot!
Горел.
Seriously, that woman's got no idea what she's talking about. Keep reversing. Go on.
Придурок.
And that's a railway crossing sign as well.
Wow. Obviously, they had no idea what they were doing.
God, that's Tetris, isn't it?
They're going to fall over. It's going to tip over.
It's gonna catch on something.
As soon as they go around a bend, it's going to all tip over.
I don't know how that worked. Well packed, but
Absolute madness. It's like when they overload these motorcycles in India. Yeah, they got so much just on them. Oh wow, you're changing a tyre right there. That's so dangerous. There's no hard shoulder though, so... Well, they're on the outside lane. What are they doing? They should have been on the other side.
yeah.
Honestly.
How did that happen? How did it happen? They
Not
get
the
that
beer
way?
truck!
I'm just. It was on the roof and it fell.
Yeah, looks like it. Oh dear. Whoa.
Was that a train?
No. No, that was like a lorry.
Like a train that's going so fast. Oh, that
They're
car's
not going to
stopping.
stop. They're
that
not going to
car's not
stop. They're not going to stop. Okay, so
Oh.
one of them did.
Yeah, but it didn't look they were going to, did it? Oh, it's an
No,
absolute
but-
bunker. Oh.
Driving too close. That's what you get.
Watching that car on the outside, because I reckon...
Yeah, well,
Or someone's going to pull out suddenly, that's my prediction.
yeah, I think so.
Or
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
I mean, pretty good reactions there, but you've probably destroyed your suspension. You being serious? No, just stop.
They're trying to get away.
No, just stop. If you don't know how to control the car, just stop. You're going to do yourself more harm than good.
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
think
god, no, don't stand in front of it.
They're trying to do a hit and run.
Dear,
Oh my god, are they ducks?
dear. They're going around in circles. Oh wow, that's funny.
That's hilarious. I like that one.
Holy.
Oh, that was... And they're still on the line. They're still
That
down
was
the
a
middle.
close one, yeah. That's the problem though. If you have a pretty slow car, or a car doesn't have enough power.
What are they doing?
Oh dear, what is?
That's a simple case of not looking again.
They could have either stayed in the lane that we're in or move over to the inside. Oh no, not the bike! Oh, he's just gonna walk away.
Prick.
Oh, you dickhead! You absolute cockwomble.
That's a great phrase. What are you...
The truck can't see it.
No, it can't.
The driver in the
Because
cab's on the other side.
completely in the blind
yeah.
side as well, the blind spot.
3 часа еще нету,
Dear, dear.
работали, в Иркутске уже находимся.
I don't like it when trams are involved because they can't stop. Oh look, they're gonna get sandwiched between two. Oh wow, that was so close.
How close they get together.
Oh no, oh wow, what
That's
an
not-
idiot.
That's what the first time they've done that, probably.
Просто, ну ты чё?
Oh, they're stuck.
Ой,
Oh,
ебать!
No!
Ой,
Oh
I
god.
hope that car's not new.
Ой, ебать,
I don't
ебать!
know, it looks pretty new. Don't attempt it again. It's a Porsche! It's a Porsche! Oh, for God's sake.
I thought it was an Audi, which is bad enough.
See, look, they just
but-
didn't make the turn properly. Oh, dear. Oh no. Oh.
They've seen
Clamped.
clamped.
That's the same thing that you saw in The Simpsons, isn't it? In that episode of Simpsons where his car gets clamped and he's there driving away with the clamp on.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Problem is, in that angle, you can't really see what's going on, so you don't really know what the situation is, whether or not they had right away or not.
No, it's true. Right.
I mean, they could have seen the red light from a mile away.
And she's like, what were you doing?
Seriously.
Oh, look at that glass.
But it's a really shitty car, so they probably just don't care. And then she's driving a nice car.
Yeah.
See, not typical, not enough power to do the overtake, man. What are they doing?
Stopping.
Why? They're even indicating to get back into their lane, man. What are they doing?
I couldn't even tell you.
It's like people try a maneuver, but they don't know. Oh my god!
Whoa!
I was going to say, they start panicking because they can't actually complete the maneuver they wanted to do and they don't know what to do. But that was insane, though. I'm sorry, that's got to be a meme.
Got in the car and got out the other
That's
side.
got to be a meme. Yeah, because it was on a crossing. Oh, that's so funny.
That is funny.
Oh dear. Oh, it's on ice. They couldn't stop, could they? So that massive army truck at the back couldn't stop, and it just crushed everything else in front of it.
What's she doing?
trying
Why
to
is she
clear
doing
off.
that now?
I have no idea.
She
Right
should
in the
have
middle
done
of
that
the street.
before she started driving her car.
That looks like a Jag as well. It looks like
It looks
an
like a
F-Pace.
Jag,
Oh dear.
yeah. Or pull over and do it somewhere.
And she hasn't done a good enough job.
Yeah,
There's still
that's
snow
good.
on it. Oh my god!
That is bad.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What's going on?
She's really executing herself. Some really good.
They're really that late for work, are they?
2 cars then hit that.
I mean, the problem is it's ice. Look.
Yeah.
I mean, they were like blasting it through that intersection.
But who would actually hear the
Yo.
They were able to
sirens?
see the lights.
Yeah. What's going on there?
Oh, God. This has got to be a joke. Come on.
It must be.
Yo.
You're not going to be able to get around. If
Yeah.
there's any bends and those stairs, you're not going to be able to get around it.
Yo.
Well, there's stuff as well. Oh, are we going?
Oh, just grinding the transmission, grinding on the exhaust. Oh dear. Not to mention the
You- you
bumper
heard your
as
mother,
well.
right?
Oh, no. Wouldn't surprise me if they damaged the bloody cooler, the radiator. Oh.
我見嬲都
Really
貼到
worth
埋。
it.
喲，呢架個真係喎。
Oh,
How did they get there in the first place?
Jesus Christ.
有位醫生要
There's no reason for any of it. Do you know what the crazy thing is that some people will leave comments on these videos defending the stupid things that these people are doing?
I'd love to look good.
Insanity. What are they waiting there for? That's like a telegraph pole or one of those.
It is a telegraph pole, you're right.
Yeah. Oh no! Holy!
Oh my god. Fuck.
Oh,
Me.
Jesus Christ! Even if the front end of that bike got caught then,
We'll take
he
it
would have
with
been
it.
killed. He would have been absolutely dead.
My heart is pounding. Blooming egg. Is there water in that car?
Yeah.
Oh no.
They've got themselves
Beached.
beached. Beached? That's not the right word, is it?
I don't know.
Flooded.
They've become the lake.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that a tram?
I don't know. I can't really tell.
Why are you flashing your lights,
Чё
mate?
еблан, блядь, старый?
Why are you
Вообще
flashing your
охуел,
lights,
блядь,
mate?
а? Ты чё, блядь,
What are you
долбоёб?
doing? What are you
Looks like
doing?
he's gonna get
No,
some
I
truck as well.
don't
Debil,
care
man.
about the time, mate. What are you doing? He's a taxi or something. Oh, you
But
absolute
the
dickhead.
height of the camera is that's
И
a
чё,
lot.
блядь, все опаздывают?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a
Все
bus or a lorry.
опаздывают. И сзади, которые стоят за тебя, тоже опаздывают,
Idiot,
блядь.
man.
Oh, again, snow.
Oh, he's not going to be able to stop. See, again, man. But see, everyone's in the wrong here because the drivers wouldn't have been able to see. They wouldn't be able to see the ambulance coming. The ambulance should have been slowing down, coming up towards that intersection.
Yeah.
That's not going to turn in yet. It's the police! It's the police! Oh.
Oh, okay, well,
I mean, to be fair, they probably were well within their right to overtake someone, you know?
possibly.
Oh, dear. Too much pride. Just drive straight. Don't correct it. Just drive straight. The more you turn it, the more you correct it, it's going to go. There you go. In that situation, just drive straight and the trailer will correct
Oh, no.
itself.
The train.
Well, that
He's got
cargo's
out.
gone.
He's got out though.
Deary me.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
Dear, oh dear.
Макс, у тебя ноги воняют. Высуши, не проветри, а?
Да ща, да без проблем.
That's the ground.
I mean, that's a massive MOT fail. Oh, wow.
Did they leave a window open or something?
Must have done. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, no, you idiot. I mean, the driver that's got the dash cam footage, though, is doing the same bloody thing, though. They're just swapping lanes like nobody's business.
That's the UK, that.
Yeah.
Another train.
Another piece of cargo gone.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Oh, they're just going to escape. Oh, unlucky.
Oh, my Lord, have mercy.
They
The thing
tried.
is, I would
They
have
tried.
thought the barriers would have come down before the train started coming through.
No, the lights come on first.
But then over here,
When
the
the-
lights come on.
When the lights come on, oh, that's actually really funny.
The
No,
lights
wait,
come
when
on.
so the lights come on, you're supposed to stop when the lights come on.
Then the barriers
And
come
then the
down.
barriers
and
come
then
down.
the train comes.
Yes. So that truck driver, more than likely, would have crossed as the lights were turning
But
on.
the barrier was still coming down as the train was going through.
I don't know then.
Why is it with cars and stairs today?
Looks like a pretty nice car as well.
It's like a nice village. Like a nice town. Oh no. The
God,
Lambo,
bloody
right?
Lamborghini Aventador, just
Look at the
that's beached. Oh dear. Oh, it's gonna get stuck.
waiting for the grinding of metal.
Wow. Okay. Well, I mean, madness, but hey, it was different. Anyway, it was different. Laughing at some drivers for a change. But have you noticed that this video was longer than the usual bike videos that we watch?
Yeah.
So there's clearly more idiot drivers around than there are idiot bikers.
Clearly, yeah.
Just,
I mean,
we're not biased at all, are we?
absolutely not. Of course not. But isn't even that the one with the guy and his bike and the train? I actually felt a bit nauseous when I watched that.
Some of them are just insane and just
because
inches away from being just, yeah.
But the nausea that filled me all of a sudden was, am I about to watch someone get killed?
It's
Like,
mad.
What was I about to watch?
It's mad. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know. That's how we feel about some of these clips. But as always, let us know what you think. Were we wrong to react on some of the clips or not? Because some of these ones are in different countries and we don't know the norms and we don't know the culture. But
The road laws.
I mean, the thing is, for me personally, a lot of this stuff is just logic.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're logical, and it doesn't matter really what country you're in, a lot of the time you're going to be safe as long as you are methodical about the maneuvers that you try to do. But some of these people clearly are just trying to, I don't know, they're just insane. They're just doing things they don't need to do.
They're not thinking before they're doing things.
No, absolutely not thinking that. I don't know, but that's what you get sometimes, I suppose, with these things.
Mhm.
But anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Definitely let us know your thoughts down in the comments below, and we're going to leave a link to the video description if you want to check this video out yourselves. So this is on a channel called Dashcam Lunatic. It's a fairly smallish channel, 53k subscribers. So if you'd like to go and check them out and support them, that's cool. But yeah, that's all we've got time for in today's reaction video. So thank you ever so much for watching. Leave a like, hit subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.